Yo, guys, can I be the first one to admit I was totally off when I guessed and, kind of predicted how this release was going to go? But again, these things went a little quickly, a little more quickly than I thought. Although I know this is a grill for a lot of people, and I said that, there will be folks that really wanted this sneaker from back in the day that will put full attention towards these joints. And yeah, that seemed like the case was that case, you know what I'm saying? And these things went pretty quickly. Let's talk about it. Let's recap the release. I'm seeing a couple different things when it comes to these upcoming releases. And it might just be the 7, or it might be just these classics that folks is eyeing in 2026, and we got a couple more bangers this year. So let's get into today's recap, man. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping back in, man. Your boy The Vintage is back. We back with another video. We back talking about kicks. We back seeing what's popping on these release Saturdays, even though it's a Friday. It's a release Saturday because ain't nothing dropping tomorrow to my knowledge. And today was fully and only for these Miro 7. I call them Miros. People dag me in the comments. I really don't care. I'm gonna call it what I've been calling it for literally more than half of my life, bro. They're the Miro 7s in my opinion, and that's just what I call them. Y'all can argue with your mama. I don't care. But you guys are new here to the channel right now. I need everybody to do, man. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell for your boy. Run them likes up for your guy, The Vintage. And make sure y'all spam the comments, man. Let me know in the comments, bro, who secured a dub? Who secured the Air Jordan 7 Miros? I'm super interested in knowing, bro. Again, this is one I was super excited for. But drop in the comments right now if you took a W or L. Are you surprised and shocked about this release? Because I ain't gonna lie, I honestly am, man. All right, so I just want to check a couple things off my list. Again, the last video I did drop was me showing these early on my G-Day, my 30th birthday. It was a great present for me, early gift for myself, and had these for a couple days. But I was reading comments, and the first comment that I want to address, bro, the first comment I want to address is the fact that I said I'm tired of seeing the face box. And not even that I'm tired of seeing it, I'm a little bit more salty that the face box came with the Miro 7s because we paid $255. I paid like $260 after tax and fees on gold, so I paid a little bit more than retail. But folks that bought these today on the Nike Sneakers app are paying $270, bro, for the shoe, the taxes, and then the shipping. I think Nike still charge shipping, not too sure. Been a minute since I bought a pair of sneakers for retail from sneakers because they always giving me an L. But again, you're paying $270 off the rip, bro, for these Miro 7s, and then we don't get the special packaging, and we get a face box that we've been seeing all year. And then somebody was like, yo, I can't believe you disrespected the face box. You used to get those in the early 2000s. Bro, you can save all that, bro. You can save all that. I don't care what you're talking about. What I'm saying is, for these Miros, if I'm paying $255, $260, it would be nice to have a special packaging box like the pair that came out back in the day, you know what I'm saying? But that's just a couple things that I want to see. Retail price is crazy, and I would love to see, the face box. But it is what it is. Again, I said I'm gonna get them, bro. We don't wear the box, we wear the sneakers, so that is first and foremost. And then the other comment I want to address is somebody said I didn't want these back in the day. They said you can save that. There's no way you wanted these when you was 15 years old. I said, bro, what are you talking about? Real folks really just be hating. Like, folks hate just to hate. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give you a little shine today, the shine that you want. But it's no way you're gonna tell me that I didn't want these when I was in high school. Like, bro, I remember this shoe like it was yesterday. And a lot of other releases that you've seen me buy over the last 10 years of me doing YouTube were shoes that I couldn't afford when I was a kid, that I have the, I'm fortunate enough to have the opportunity to get these add to the collection. So, bro, save your comments. Stop hating, stop being a goofball, and just enjoy the content, man. But back to the actual topic of discussion today, the Miro 7s. These released today, and again, the pairs went just like that. And again, I'm shocked, bro. I said, yo, these will sit. I said they're gonna sit, due to the fact that, pretty much everything this year had been sitting. I don't care about them sitting, just, that's just my prediction on the release. I still got the sneaker. I think people will be not putting that into, the picture when I'm talking about releases. I'm just making a guess, like an observation of what I think the release is going to do. I thought it would sit, but I was sadly mistaken. The pairs did go, and I wanted the sneaker. So again, I'm gonna do what I gotta do to get my sneaker. If you want the shoe, you should pull the trigger as well. But yeah, they did not sit. The pairs went just like that. And just to talk about the resale a little bit, because I was checking out a little bit earlier today just to kind of see, you know, what is the resale hitting for since they did sell out. In the first place I went to go check out was StockX, and the bigger sizes was the sizes that was, you know what I'm saying, knocking on the door for $400. I said, bro, when were these going for almost $400? It's kind of crazy. But if you guys go over to StockX, like the size 13 going for $229, 12 and a half, $340, and again, if the taxes, shipping, and fees, you're paying almost $400. And the middle size, like the 9.5, the 10, the 10.5, they're going for the mid 200s, which is under retail. Is kind of crazy. So again, although the shoe sold out, don't mean the resale is going to go super high, which a lot of people are not going to put that into full account either. Like, you know, usually when the shoes sell out, people think resale going to shoot up. That's not always the case. Point in case today with the Miros, these are still going for under retail in some sizes. But again, who cares? It's a fire pair of sneakers, bruh. But $255 Nike, you're tripping. I see that they did revert the prices from the Space Jams, but y'all kept the $255 for these. It's crazy. I don't understand it. And I just feel bad for people, you know, the normal sneaker consumer. Like, nobody that's, you know, doing content. Nobody that's getting shoes for, you know, photo shoots, video, whatever it may be. You know what I'm saying? Nobody's making extra money from the sneaker in terms of, like, you know, social media, I would say. And you got to pay $270 for these joints. Like, yo, no special box, nothing. Like, I don't know what to say. And again, it's not normal to be spending $255 on a pair of sneakers. It's not even normal to be spending $200 a week on a pair of sneakers. And yeah, they did sell out, you know, so it is what it is, bro. I knew folks who want these. I knew that, you know, eventually they would sell out. It wouldn't sit for too long. But it's one of them ones, bro. Definitely one of them ones. So again, in the comment section, bro, let me know if you secured a pair. We did a little early look on these guys, you know, kind of showing you the details. But, you know, just for shits and giggles here, since I got everybody popped out to the channel, the box might fall. You did get the black laces. You got green laces right there. You got blue, you got yellow and red, but I'm loving the laces that's already inside of the sneaker right here. That's what I'm be rocking. And you have a nice translucent outsole with the splash of color down there. Yo, these joints hard, bro. This makes me miss my Cardinals. I ain't gonna say I shouldn't have sold them, but I just missed the sneaker now that I have the Miros, you know what I'm saying? So eventually those will come back to the collection. A lot of those, you know, grills that I released over the last couple of years, they go for like under retail, bro. Like Cardinals, a couple other sevens I can't think of the name, you know, top of my head, but you know, a lot of stuff been going for, like, you know, under retail, and it's easy additions to add to the collection. But we got more heat coming out this year, so I'm gonna hold off on picking those joints back in the collection and focus on the heat we are getting. And yes, sir, finally, bro, I still can't believe it, man. Miro 7's in the collection. Y'all let me know if y'all scoop today off the Nike Sneakers app or wherever it may be. Maybe a mom and pop shop around your area. Let me know where you copped, how you copped. Here to chop it up with you guys, man, in the comment section. But I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping in. Need everybody to subscribe, hit the notification bell, run on mic stuff for your boy, The Vintage. And with all that's being said, man, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.